The story of the invention of brain scanner technology. The development of brain scanner manufacturing technology is a fascinating tale of innovation and collaboration, driven by the desire to better understand the human brain and its functions. The story begins in the early 1900s, when researchers began to explore the use of electromagnetism to study the brain. However, it was not until the 1970s that the first functional magnetic resonance imaging fMRI scanner was developed, which used magnetic fields and radio waves to produce detailed images of the brain. This breakthrough in brain scanning technology led to a surge in research and development efforts, as scientists and engineers sought to improve the resolution, speed, and accuracy of brain scanners. One key challenge was the development of manufacturing technology that could produce brain scanners that were both reliable and affordable, while also meeting the high standards of quality and safety required in medical imaging. In response to this challenge, a team of researchers and engineers from different institutions and disciplines collaborated to develop a new manufacturing technology for brain scanners. This technology involved the use of advanced materials, such as superconductors and high-temperature ceramics, that could improve the performance and durability of brain scanners under extreme conditions. The team also developed new manufacturing processes and techniques, such as 3D printing and nanotechnology, that could enable the production of brain scanners with greater precision and efficiency, while also reducing waste and energy consumption. As a result of these efforts, the new brain scanner manufacturing technology was able to produce scanners that were faster, more accurate, and more affordable than previous generations. This technology also enabled the development of new applications and functionalities, such as real-time imaging and neurofeedback, that could improve the diagnosis and treatment of brain disorders and injuries. However, the story of brain scanner manufacturing technology is not without its challenges and controversies. One major challenge is the need for ethical and responsible practices in the use and interpretation of brain imaging data, to ensure that the privacy and autonomy of patients are respected, and that the potential for misuse and harm is minimized. Another challenge is the need for collaboration and knowledge sharing, to ensure that the benefits of brain scanner manufacturing technology are accessible to all, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. This can involve the promotion of open science and open access principles that encourage the sharing of data, methods, and results across different disciplines and institutions. Brain scanner manufacturing technology has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the human brain and its functions, and to improve the diagnosis and treatment of brain disorders. However, there are still many opportunities and challenges to be addressed, in order to fully realize the potential of this technology. One area of potential application is the development of personalized medicine, that tailors treatments and therapies to the unique characteristics and needs of individual patients. Brain scanner manufacturing technology can enable the development of biomarkers and imaging tools that can identify the specific brain regions and circuits that are affected by different disorders and injuries, and that can guide the selection and optimization of treatments and therapies. Another area of potential application is the development of brain-computer interfaces, BSIS, that enable the direct communication and interaction between the brain and external devices. Brain scanner manufacturing technology can enable the development of high-resolution and real-time imaging tools that can monitor and decode the neural activity associated with different Cognitive